Hello students, Unit 3 Environment. If a tree could talk. English Notes 4th Standard Part 1. Speak or read aloud. First main. Read the poem. Say what you would do to save the environment. Use the words given in brackets. One is done for you. I would grow more trees, but I would not chop them down. Second one, I would save the river, but I would not dump in trash. Third one, I would ride a bicycle, but I would not drive a car. I would rear animals, but I would not kill them. I would light oil lamps, but I would not burst crackers. Second one, read the pictures and say about the weather. Give clues for the second blank also. It is a sunny day. It is very hot. It is a rainy day. It is very rainy. It is a cloudy day. It is very cloudy. It is a windy day. It is very windy. Listen and say aloud. Main A. Teacher says these words. Listen. Then say the words aloud. Brick, bridge, brush, bread, rackets, pickle, dryer, stamp, stretcher. Main B. Complete the given words by adding two letters N, G, C, E, K, E, T, E, C, K, C, H and say them aloud. You may use letters more than once. D-A-N-C-E, dance. S-L-A-T-E, slate. P-R-I-C-E, price. S-T-R-I-K-E, strike. C-R-A-C-K, crack. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Sing and enjoy. Teacher sings this song, listen, then open the book and sing. Get into the boat and away to the west. Seesaw, seesaw, for they have cut down the tree with the poor linnet's nest. Seesaw, seesaw. The bulrushes nod and the wonder lilies sigh. Seesaw, seesaw, and all of us know the sad reason why. Seesaw, seesaw. Find the rhyming words and write them. West, nest, sigh, why. Play this game. Main A. Look at the gold coins in the grid. A word is etched on each coin. Make a pair of coins which have the same sounds. One example is given. TOO 2, NEW new, WON 1, WITCH which. Pair, break, weather, write, 2, 1, break, which. Weather, new, pair, right. Example, WEATHER, weather, WHETHER, weather. TOO2, TWO2. NEW, new, KNEW, new. WON1, ONE1. WITCH, which. WHICH, which. PAIR, pair. PEAR, pair. BRAKE, break. BREAK, break. WEATHER, weather. WHETHER, weather. WRITE, right. RIGHT, right. Main B, you find words in the box. Some words mean to save environment and some mean to destroy environment. Separate them and write under the right column. One is done for you. Lake, smoke, fresh air, forest, plastic, oxygen, truck, waste, rain, water pond, trash, river, high rise, buildings, trees. Good for environment, bad for environment. Good for environment, water pond, lake, river, fresh air, water pond, forest, oxygen, rain, trees. Bad for environment, trash, smoke, plastic, truck, waste, high rise, buildings. Tree and river. Speak, read and answer orally. First question, who was crying one day? Answer is, the river was crying. Second one, what do people dump in the river? Answer, people dump in waste in the river. Third one, who did the river and the tree write a letter to? Answer, the river and the tree wrote a letter to the government. Read and write the answer. Write a letter on behalf of the tree and river expressing thanks to the government of Karnataka and post it. Fill in the blanks to complete the letter. Choose the words from those given in brackets. The Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka, date. We are happy you have saved us. We would like to express our thanks. Sir, yours faithfully, Tree and River. Second main, arrange the following in the order based on their size. Pond, ocean, well, sea, river, lake, stream. First one is sea, second one is pond, third one is lake, fourth one is stream, fifth one is well, sixth one is river, seventh one is ocean. Fun with words. Arrange the letters in the correct order. One is done for you. TRFEOS. FOREST, forest. First one, CLIHL. CHILL, chill. Second one, MWRA. WARM, warm. Third one, RWOHT. THROW, throw. Fourth one, HCEOK. CHOKE, choke. Fifth one, TWCAH. WATCH, watch. Sixth one, TETRLE. LETTER, letter. Seventh one, VRIRE. RIVER, river. Eighth one, UMPD. DUMP, dump. Ninth one, EISHN, shine. Main B, read the following words from left to right and right to left. They read the same. Find some more such words from the dictionary. Level. peep, did. In D, here are some sentences. One is done for you. PULLUPIFL PULLUP PULL pull UP up IF if I PULL pull UP up pull up if I pull up. B WASITARATISAW WAS was IT it A RAT rat I SAW saw. Was it a rat I saw? LIVENOTONEVIL LIVE live NOT not on EVIL evil live not on evil. Write well. Look at the pictures. Write two sentences about each. One is done for you. This is spring. Flowers have bloomed. It is summer. People were stands under the tree. This is windy. Leaves are fallen. This is a pond. It is dry up. Main B. Complete the dialogue by filling in the blanks. Choose the words from those given below. Say them taking roles. Balu, hey look, Prakash is swimming faster than George. Somu, yes, George is not as strong as Prakash. Balu, Prakash is more trained than George. Somu, but George attended less training sessions than Prakash. Read the pictures, write two sentences about each. One is done for you. Suguna is riding a bicycle. She is carrying a dustbin. Ravi is watering plants with a pipe. Vijaya is also watering plants not with a pipe but with a jug. Prabhu is wearing a raincoat. Rohini have an umbrella. Catherine is driving a red car. She drives at 60 kilometers per hour. Main A, reduce, reuse, recycle. There are some things which have got to be used economically. There are certain things which can be used again. There are some things from which new things can be created. Meanings of some words are given. Read it and fill in the balloons with the right word. Reduce means use less. Reuse means use something again. Recycle, create something new from the old. Reduce plastic bottles. Reuse glass bottles, cloths, newspaper, batteries. Recycle garbage, water, electricity. Play this game.